All right, let's see how sharp you really are. 10 questions, no hints, no second chances. I'll give you the statement, you decide, fact or fiction? Think fast, trust your instincts, and keep score because this one gets tricky. Today's challenge, technical debt. One of the most misunderstood concepts in software development. Ready? Let's test your knowledge. Question 1. Here's your first statement. Technical debt only exists when developers write bad code. The answer is fiction. Technical debt is not always caused by poor coding practices. It often occurs when teams intentionally choose faster solutions to meet deadlines, launch MVPs, validate ideas, or respond to business demands. Even highly skilled teams accumulate technical debt when making strategic trade-offs. Question 2. Next statement. Every software application accumulates some form of technical debt over time. The answer is fact. Technology evolves constantly. Frameworks become outdated, requirements change, security standards improve, and business needs shift. Even well-maintained applications accumulate debt as they age and adapt to new environments. Question 3. Let's continue. Technical debt only affects developers and has no impact on business operations. The answer is fiction. Technical debt impacts the entire business. It can slow feature releases, increase maintenance costs, create security risks, reduce customer satisfaction, and delay innovation. What starts as a technical issue often becomes a business problem. Question 4. Pay attention to this one. Launching a product quickly can sometimes justify taking on technical debt. The answer is fact. Many successful startups intentionally take on technical debt to reach the market faster. The key is understanding the debt, documenting it, and planning when it will be addressed. Strategic debt can accelerate growth when managed properly. Question 5. We're halfway there. Refactoring code is one way to reduce technical debt. The answer is fact. Refactoring improves code structure without changing functionality. It makes systems easier to maintain, understand, and extend. Regular refactoring is one of the most effective ways to prevent technical debt from becoming overwhelming. Question 6. Let's raise the difficulty. The longer technical debt is ignored, the more expensive it usually becomes to fix. The answer is fact. Technical debt often compounds over time. New features get built on top of old shortcuts, increasing complexity. What might take a few hours to fix today could require weeks or months in the future. Question 7. This one catches people off guard. Buying new software automatically eliminates existing technical debt. The answer is fiction. New software can introduce new forms of debt. Integrations, customizations, migration projects, and legacy dependencies often remain. Technology alone cannot solve poor architecture or outdated business processes. Question 8. Stay focused. Lack of documentation can contribute to technical debt. The answer is fact. When documentation is missing, knowledge becomes trapped inside individuals or teams. Future developers spend more time understanding systems, increasing maintenance costs, and creating operational risks if key personnel leave. Question 9. Almost there. Technical debt only exists in large enterprise organizations. The answer is fiction. Technical debt can appear in startups, small businesses, enterprise systems, mobile apps, websites, and even personal projects. Any software project that makes trade-offs between speed and quality can accumulate debt. Question 10. This is the final question, and it's the one that surprises most people. Some technical debt can actually create business value when managed correctly. The answer is fact. Not all technical debt is bad. Just like financial debt can help fund growth, technical debt can help organizations move faster, test ideas, and seize opportunities. The danger comes when debt is unmanaged, undocumented, or ignored. Successful organizations understand which debt is strategic and which debt is harmful. The smartest teams don't avoid all technical debt. They manage it intentionally. All right, how did you do? Drop your score in the comments. Be honest. Did you get all 10? Technical debt affects nearly every software project, but understanding it gives you a huge advantage. 8 or more? You know more than most business leaders and developers. Less than that? Now you know what many teams learn the hard way. Hit like, subscribe, and come back for the next challenge. Because knowing more is how you stay ahead.